is an electric egg boiler that can fit up to 7 eggs. It has measuring cups that help you measure the exact amount of water that you need to cook your eggs to the consistency and style that you like. To use, all you need to do is fill it with water and switch it on with the one-touch button. Once the light turns off, your eggs will be ready. The clear cover of the boiler makes it convenient for you to view your eggs as they're being cooked. With a stainless steel body and detachable parts, this is a compact and lightweight solution to have quick eggs wherever you go.
Makes a great addition to your kitchen. These knives have superior high-carbon stainless steel blades. The benefit of the carbon blade is that they are well balanced and have a longer edge tension, which means less sharpening. Each knife in the set comes equipped with an ergonomically designed triple riveted plastic over-molded handle for a secure, comfortable grip and enhanced control. Each knife's triple riveted construction securely attaches the handle to the stainless steel tang, which runs from the blade through the end of the handle. Here's what you'll find in the box. The most invaluable knife to any chef is the chef's knife. You'll use this knife 90% of the time for any of your everyday chopping and slicing. And because it's kind of like a mini chef's knife, the paring knife can do all of the finer detail tasks like peeling fruit or trimming meat. Making croutons for stuffing or slicing a baguette for crostini couldn't be easier with the serrated bread knife. The powerful kitchen shears can do everything from cutting through chicken to trimming herbs for a garnish. Keeping your knives sharp makes using them a lot easier. You can use the included sharpener to sharpen the knives by placing it upright in front of you while holding the sharpener tight. Always hold the knife away from you and pull each side of the knife down the sharpener, gradually diminishing the pressure. Always wash your knives by hand and completely dry them after each use. When not in use, place your knives in the wood knife block for easy storage.